So guys, are you fascinated with the astronomical phenomena? Then don't miss the date of 26th May as the rarest super blood moon will be on a rise. Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your friend Yash and let's begin. So guys, on 26th of May, the first lunar eclipse of 2021 will be visible as super blood moon. But guys, what is the meaning of super blood moon? It actually represents the three lunar activity or three lunar events occurring at the same time. As per the name, the first word is super, which also means the super moon or the bigger moon. The second word is red, which represents the red color of the moon occurring at a lunar eclipse. So rounding up all three, a super moon or a bigger moon with a color of red will be visible during a lunar eclipse. So guys, we will be discussing these events one by one. So first, we will discuss about the lunar eclipse. What is the meaning of lunar eclipse or what causes the lunar eclipse? So lunar is a Latin word for moon and let's understand eclipse. So when the sun, earth and the moon align with each other in a one plane, then the shadow of the earth is casted on moon. This is known as a lunar eclipse. You didn't understand guys? Okay, I'll show you one practical. So guys, for this practical, we will be considering this torch as our sun and the light of this torch as our sunlight, and then this beautiful ball, blue ball, represents our beautiful earth, and this golden ball represents our beautiful moon. Alright guys, so lights off. Alright guys, this is our sun and this is our beautiful earth and this is our beautiful moon. Guys, please ignore this is the reflection. You just focus here on the sun, earth and moon. So guys, the moon orbits around the earth at an orbital inclination of 5 degrees. But sometimes the sun, earth and the moon falls in the same horizontal plane, and that time you see what happens is that when the moon is going behind the earth, the shadow of the earth is casted on moon. Alright guys, one more time. So here again our moon is going behind the earth and you can see the shadow of the earth is casted on moon. One more time guys. When the moon is going behind the earth, the shadow you can see very slowly is casting on the surface of the moon. Alright guys, so this phenomenon is known as eclipse or more precisely lunar eclipse. I hope you understand this. So guys, let us understand this second event, which is a super moon. And to understand a super moon, we have to first understand what is a full moon and what is new moon. For that we will do another practical guys. We will consider this torch as our sun and the light as a sunlight, but I will not switch on the light guys. And this is our beautiful earth once again, and this is our beautiful moon. So guys, when the moon goes directly behind the earth and the sun, the earth and the moon are not aligned in one horizontal plane, that time the moon reflects maximum amount of sunlight towards earth and we see our moon as a full, and it is known as a full moon. And guys, when this moon comes directly in front of the sun and the sun, moon and the earth are still not aligned in one horizontal plane, that time moon does not reflect any light from the sun, and so we cannot see moon. Thus it is known as a new moon. And guys, the moon goes around the Earth in an elliptical orbit. What does it mean? It means that the orbit or the path of the moon is not a circle. It is an elongated circle. It also means that during its orbit, the moon will have a farthest point from the Earth, which is known as apogee, and the distance is around 4,05,000 kilometers from the surface of the Earth. And the distances are approximation, guys. You can see the actual values on the screen. And during its orbit, the moon will also have a closest point to the Earth, which is known as perigee, and the distance is around 3,63,000 kilometers, guys. So guys, when a full moon occurs at perigee or the closest point to the Earth, that time moon looks much bigger as compared to a full moon which occurred at apogee. So this bigger moon, which is also visible from the Earth, is known as a supermoon. So guys, the third event is a blood moon. The color of the blood is red, and sometimes during a lunar eclipse, our moon is visible red in color. This could be understood by a little bit of optics, as we already know that the light which is coming from the sun is consist of 7 colors, with blue having the shorter wavelength and the red have the longest wavelength. So guys, when the sunlight with colors approaches our Earth, the blue light, as it has a shorter wavelength, it gets interacted with our Earth's atmospheric gases and the dust particles, and these dust particles and atmospheric gases scatters this blue light, and hence we see our sky as blue. But what happens with the red color, guys? The red color, as they have the longest wavelength, they do not get scattered, but they can pass through our atmosphere. But during their pass through our atmosphere, they get refracted. They get refracted by the atmospheric gases and the dust particles and reaches the surface of the moon. And guys, we all know that the moon is the reflection of the sunlight, and the red light which passes through the Earth's atmosphere or got refracted by the Earth's atmosphere will reach to the surface of the moon and get reflected from the surface of the moon back towards our Earth, and hence our moon is visible red in color, which is also known as a blood moon or a red moon. So my friends, this lunar event is a rare one. Why? Because the 3 events will be occurring at the same time on 26th of May. And guys, it is mostly visible from the eastern part like Polynesia, part of North America, South America, Australia, Southeast Asian countries like Indonesia, Philippines, Cambodia, Vietnam, Thailand. And for us in India, it will be visible from Kolkata, Nagaland, Assam, Mizoram, again all the eastern parts, guys. But even from here, only the last part of this beautiful solar event will be visible. But guys, we are very lucky, as we are living in the era of internet. We can watch any astronomical phenomena online. And if you want to have a closer look to this beautiful rare event, then you can visit a website which is timeanddate.com, and I will also provide a direct link in the description box, as I will also be watching this rare event online. And guys, later on, if I got some pictures from somewhere, then I will share it on the social media platform like Instagram, Facebook and YouTube as well. Alright guys, I hope you like this video. Stay safe, stay healthy, get vaccinated as soon as possible. Peace out.